Alright, I am here today at Lake Isaac. What is special about this lake is it was actually made by a glacier, and this is where the glacier ended. Over here. See that tree there? That's where the glacier stopped making the lake. We're right at the end point. It's a very interesting history of how our lakes were formed, and things are in our world around us are very interesting. I've been trying to get up here. I finally got up here to share with you guys Lake Isaac and this great history of how our world was made. And things like this do interest me. There is no critters, it is raining. But it's still nice on a rainy day to see the raindrops go on the water.